It is 130,000. Did you know that? And yes, you heard correctly. 130,000. I know, this number is scary, and you heard correct. 130,000. And it is the number of federal employees who have already lost their jobs in the US. And it's not over. Big companies like UPS, Meta, and many other technical firms are also laying off thousands of people. And what's happening, it's not just a money problem. It's a big change in the job market. Because what felt safe before, like working for the federal government, it doesn't feel safe anymore. And while all this happens, people are feeling more and more scared, stressed, and unsure about their future. But there's an important truth that you should not forget. Losing your job does not mean losing your value. Being in between jobs doesn't mean you failed. This video is a second in a 5-part series where I'll give you real tools and tips to help you find a job in today's world. So if you or someone you know is going through something similar, stay with me, listen closely, and share this video. Because behind every number, it is a person. And what we cannot afford to lose is our hope and our strategy. Let's begin. But keep in mind, what I'll tell you in the next few minutes might surprise you. Welcome to video number 2 of our 30-day job search series. Today, we'll be talking about 2 very important things. One is your resume, and the second is your cover letter, okay? Here are 2 common mistakes that people make. You think you don't have enough experience, but in most cases, and most of the time, you do. You need just to show it clearly, articulate it in a way that people can see all the things that you have done in the past. You use the same resume for both government and private jobs. That's a big mistake. They have to be different, and I'll explain that in another video. First, think about what kind of job you want. Then make sure your resume includes the basics. And what are the basics? Your name. Without your name, they can't. Yeah, I know, bad joke. But your name needs to be included. Your contact information. Remember to use the professional email we created in last video. In the US, do not include your photo unless the job is asking for one. I know that in Latin America, most job searchers, they want to see your photo before they even have a conversation with you. List your work experience with clear start and end dates. Add skills and accomplishments that really show your value. So here are some free tools that will help you improve your resume. 1, Zeti Resume Builder. They have a bunch of free resume templates. They have some paid ones, but even the free ones, they're really good and they will help you stand out. Number 2 is JobScan. You have heard me speak about this before. But what is important about this website, it will look at your resume and it will let you know if it passes company filters, and it will help you improve it. Remember, most companies now are using AI to review the resumes before even a human gets to it. Number 3, LinkedIn Career Explorer. In here, you can find jobs based on your skills, but more important, if you have your information in here, recruiters are always looking and may contact you based on what you have published in here. Now, your task now is to stop for a few minutes and update your resume with your most recent experience. And remember that you will need to change it a little bit based on the job you're applying to. Get to it. Now let's talk about your online presence. Did you know that 70% of recruiters look at your social media before even calling you? If your profile doesn't match the job you're trying to get, you might be losing your chance without even knowing, because you're not even going to get to that first phone call, okay? So do this today. Update your LinkedIn. Add a professional photo in here, a short and clear summary in your experience. Clean up your social media. Delete anything that could hurt your image. So a lot of times we have hundreds, and mostly are party pics, photos with weapons, or negative posts that you have done in the past. Get them all out of the way. If needed, create a portfolio website that can show your work, what you have done, and what you can do for that potential employer. To find the right job, you need to know what you're good at, okay? So that is important. Here are 3 websites that can help you really narrow it down. 1, Indeed Career Guide. It has a bunch of tips and career planning help that you can use as you're moving forward. Number 2 is Mind Tools Goal Toolkit. It will help you set your goals. Number 3, Career Explorer, and we have talked about this one before, but it will help you learn your strengths and find career matches that are better suited for you. As you update your resume, use this site to discover what do you best. Remember that it's not only what you had studied, it's also the things that you have skills that you can do. Here's where it gets exciting and where a lot of people, hit against the wall and they don't know how to climb or how to go under, how to go to the side. So I'll try to walk you through. Let's start looking for real job openings based on the skills you have added to your resume. There are hundreds, maybe thousands of websites, but here's what you can do. Here's what's going to make it easier for you. Find companies that are hiring now. Check if their job openings match your skills. Read the job descriptions and requirements carefully. Keep track of every job you apply to. You can create a simple Google Sheets, that free Excel, with the following information. Write it down. Date. 2nd, the company name. 3rd, the contact person that is listed for the job, okay? The phone number to reach them, their email address, job title, job description, and here's maybe the key component is, as things are moving along and you're contacting them, which I'm going to teach you how to do that, you will copy in here in notes, okay, what is their response. If you want a free template, just send me an email at coaching@yes2hope.com. Let's start looking for roles that match your talents and your skills. If you have followed everything that we've been talking about as the first 2 videos, you should have enough information to start at least knocking on doors. We'll leave a list of job sites on our blog to help you get started. But here's the thing, you need to take action. Remember the 3 F's. And the first is faith. If you have any questions, or leave a comment on the video, or email me at coaching@yes2hope.com. But before you go, in the next video, we'll talk about how to prepare for interviews and what to say that will make employers want to at least bring you for that 2nd interview and then to hire you. Even if you feel nervous, I will walk you through that process. See you soon.